Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome to my channel. Today I want to try to repaint new brand of the dolls for me, and it's HairDorables. Are you interested? Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell before I start. It was very fun to unbox the doll, and I got Sallee. Before the repaint, I should undress doll and protect her body and hair. For this, I use masking tape. And now it's time to remove factory paint. As usual, I use gel polish remover and cotton balls. Voila! She has such a cute and funny face. Before the repaint, I protect her face with a few layers of matte varnish and start to build blushing and shadows. I draw the eye creases with watercolor pencil. Since this is my first time when I drawing a face for HairDorables, I don't really know which proportions are best. Therefore, I draw the eye shape with a pastel pencil. It looks brighter on a dark skin tone, and it's easier to erase than a watercolor pencil. To better understand the eye shape, I color the sclera with white pastel pencil. If I'm happy with the result, I repeat the process on the other side of the face and outline the eye with a brown watercolor pencil. I decided not to repeat the factory makeup. Therefore, the eyebrows will match the hair color, white. The eye color will match the second color of the hair. They will be blue. I start to build the gradient with soft pastel. I paint the pupil in dark blue, not in black color. I think this will make the work look cleaner and better. I repeat this process several times to make the gradient deeper. To highlight the sclera, I use gouache paint. Also, using the same gouache, I paint the eyebrow hair. I add a reflection to the eyes. I don't know why, but I decided to make it in a heart shape. The easiest way to make a heart is to draw two dots side by side. Then I just connect them with a third in the bottom. This is not the end of the repaint. I have not painted eyelashes yet. In this aspect, I decided to repeat the factory painting and not to do the lower eyelashes. It reminded me the Blythe dolls. And this is her final look. This time I decided not to completely alter the doll, but only to rethink its factory image a little. I think I make it more solid. Do you like the results? I do. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!